That's another part of the Great Western Trail Bridge where the Chicago Great Western Railroad used to cross over the Chicago Northwestern Railroad. View is looking east from Gray Street. Notice the crossovers, notice the heated switches, notice all the signaling equipment. Looking west, another crossover, more signals. They've been upgrading the line to accommodate more Metro trains. Now, 40 years ago, the Chicago Great Western went across here. These bridges are new in the last, 2 years, 1 year. Great Western Trail. That's the Chicago Great Western Trail Bridge over Gray Street. The original structure for the railroad all those years ago was a very, very narrow bridge, and that was probably the only thing that should have been ripped out. And then this empty lot here I need some help with. What was the name of the ice cream joint? Was it a Cock Robin or was it a Dog and Suds? There's the new swimming pool. I think that's since 2010 or so. Empty lot, condo building, and the dog joint. That's the Sheldon Peck homestead. This is one of the oldest home structures in the area. Historical Society's doing a great job keeping it up. Can't quite remember this story. Wasn't all that long ago, in the last 10, 15, even 20 years. Somebody was driving high rate of speed. They drove right into this place. A couple people got some cuts and scratches, I guess, but the driver was so freaked out, fled, thought for sure this person had killed someone, and this is the part of the story I can't remember. I think that driver took their own life. Lombard Hobbies. Lombard Hobbies is one of the better stores for model railroading. HON, I believe some of the big stuff. That guy's been around for years and he knows his model railroading. Looking south, the ice cream place was down there, and this was the right-of-way for the Chicago and Great Western Railroad. I'm all the way on the east edge of town, almost at the city limits. I try to avoid the west end of town down at the end of the trail here because of the, it's a colony of West Virginians have taken over down there.